President mean when he said, look, exclamation point, Riad?
I think he's pointing to what's happening right now. He's pointing to Saudi Arabia, UAE, Egypt and Bahrain taking action, closing their borders, closing their airspace to Qatar. And from his perspective, it seems, I mean, these Trump tweets, they just landed. There was a follow-up to those tweets saying, asking questions, are we seeing the end of terrorism, the scourge of terrorism? So I think he's pointing to these actions taken by these Arab countries and saying, maybe this will have a result.
So I was reading a note by Stephen Shork of the Shork Report this morning, who said that we're back to Sunni versus Shia one more time, that this is something that's been going on for decades, if not centuries. Does it escalate from here, Riad?
I don't know right now, but what we're seeing now is the beginning of the mediation efforts. So we have the Kuwaiti Emir seems to be taking the lead on that. He talked to the Qatari Emir last night, and he's now on his way to Jeddah to talk to the Saudi King about it. So I think the Qataris themselves have come out and said they don't want to escalate this thing further, and they're sort of seeking the mediation, hoping to resolve this thing.
Riad, I've got a chart here, which is G#BTV9145. It shows that ETF, the iShares MSCI Qatar capped ETF price yesterday, as we know, is a record decline for this ETF. It's bouncing back a little bit today. Does that tell us the worst of the market reaction is behind us, or is it just too early to say?
I think you have to say it's too early to say. I mean, it was a pretty steep drop yesterday, and today the market was kind of up one moment, down the next, pretty much unchanged. It is worth pointing out that, for example, bond yields continue to rise, so other markets still indicated a concern. But whenever the market drops like that, there might be some people who see it as a buy opportunity, betting that this may be over sooner rather than later.